Well, it finally happened. My Contax TVS finally shit the bed and took its last breath. It didn't go out without a fight, however. It struggled through a couple final photos before it officially went out. Maybe in another video I'll give it the proper Viking funeral it deserves. Unfortunately, I didn't get to spend a lot of time with it. In the total of 8 months I owned it, I only shot about 6 rolls through it. This all happened right at the beginning of a family vacation. I brought 4 rolls of film and it only got through about half of one. The problem was I still wanted to be able to shoot, but the only other camera I brought with me was a previously untested novelty camera I bought off eBay and actually had to hand assemble. This is the Lego Vintage Film Camera, and it actually comes with roll film. It doesn't have an official name, but I've lovingly and uncreatively dubbed it Kodak Brick 200. Due to its unique shooting characteristics and likeness to Gold 200. There's a lot that can be said for this camera, but I'll let it speak for itself. Let's get into it. If you think I'm just giving away free foot content, sir, you are sorely mistaken. As to not shoot too much in midday light, I waited towards sunset and finished off the roll there. There isn't a lot of footage from here, mainly because I forgot, but enjoy the photos anyway. As you might expect, the photos were hard to get developed, but I made it work and I think the photos came out spectacularly. The colors on Brick 200 are nice, and it's sharp enough for what it is. I don't think I'd use this camera to shoot any real projects, but it's definitely something fun to mess around with, and I could see it being used for some very specific projects. Thanks for watching this short video for April Fool's Day. I hope you liked the idea and got a laugh. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.